The Unitrends Storage Inventory Tool has the ability to export a PowerPoint summarizing your storage and server environments. This video will describe how to generate that PowerPoint and walk through the PowerPoint itself. So here we are, logging into the Storage Inventory Tool. Over on the left, you can see various components of the environment have been discovered and listed in the UI. And over on the right, in the main reporting area, we have summary information about the environment. And over on the right, a link to export the Enterprise Assessment PowerPoint. So I want to click that. I'll get the PowerPoint, and let me open that up and run through that. So the PowerPoint starts off with an overall list of the assets in the environment, the top level assets, for example, SAN arrays, NAS filers, vCenter servers, followed by a list of the servers in the environment, both those that were successfully discovered as well as those that failed, and if so, why. This is followed by the profile of the SAN environment, so the raw capacity, the amount of capacity, raw capacity that has been rated, the amount of usable capacity left over after rating, the amount of that has been allocated into volumes, the amount of those volumes that have been provisioned to hosts, and then the usage that's been discovered on those hosts against those LUNs. This is also broken out by tier and by individual array, followed by a list of the disks in the SAN environment by gigs and by count, followed by the RAID profile in the SAN environment. Underutilized LUNs are also listed, the top 20 in this case. This is followed by the profile of the NAS environment. So the raw capacity, the amount of that capacity that has been rated, the usable capacity left over after rating, the amount that has been allocated into volumes, and the amount of usage overall in the NAS environment. This is also broken out by tier and by individual NAS filer. This is also followed by the list of NAS disks by gig and by count, and the RAID profile in the NAS environment. This is followed by the profile of the VM environment, so the overall capacity, data store capacity, VMDK allocation, and data store usage. This is also broken out by individual vCenter. We also show the ratio of thin to thick provisioned devices, again broken out by vCenter. This is followed by the end user server profile, which includes NAS and end user servers, their overall capacity and their overall usage, as well as the servers with the highest amount of usage by percent and the lowest amount of usage by percent. So it's a very quick way to get a deliverable that summarizes the environment. Of course, there's additional details available in the Storage Inventory Tool, which we'll cover in future videos. Thank you for your time, and take care.